Yep.
Right here.
Going to toss some decoys. Alright, well hey, my name's Tim. Today we're going to do a little duck hunting. This is Jackson. Just met him, he texted me. Now he's out here hunting with me.
Let's do it.
So we're going to try and get some ducks. Our goal is to try and shoot a scaup and a ring neck this morning. And then we're going to go look for some puddlers.
Yep.
It is time. It's 7:15, dude. Shoot it. Pick that thing up. Dude, that was awesome though. That did exactly what we're looking for. It literally landed with decoys, man. Like exactly what I was looking for. That looked like a scaup too. I think you just knocked it off your list, dude. Dude, that's a scaup, isn't it? Oh yeah, you just knocked it off the list. Took the scaup off the list. That's awesome.
That's a good start.
Yeah. That's too far, we're good.
Oh yeah. Yeehaw! Starting early.
There's a post right there.
Hell yeah, Tim. Oh my God.
Just scared it around the tree there. Yep, got a scaup down.
We got him. Hell yeah, good shooting, Tim. Yeah.
We did shoot the scaup already. We
Yeah.
can go look for puddlers now.
I'm down.
Let's go ahead and ditch this spot. Perfect. We're gonna go through these trees.
Okay.
So in case you get a chance with your shotgun while we're going through these trees,
Yeah.
there might be a
Pop shoot.
yep, a little pass shoot or something there. Moved areas. Got another spread going on here. Some of the decoys didn't quite touch, so they floated a little bit. It's pretty windy and wavy out here, so we're waiting on some ducks. We saw some floating really low over this area, so that's why we're set up here. Let's see what happens. All right, let's watch those. Where are those going? We need to learn where these birds are actually going. Oh shoot, they turn around?
I don't know.
No, they're continuing. They're just,
they're-
or no, they're.
No, they're coming back.
All right, go ahead and turn them that way. Where are they going? You see them? That could have been what we've been seeing today, is ducks coming all the way out here, then just going back.
Yeah. Could be some of those same groups.
Uh-huh. Oh, shoot!
You see that?
Okay, next one's things. Oh my God, they're maple leafing. They're maple leafing. Ready? Get ready, get ready. Oh my God, they're maple leafing. They're maple leafing. Ready? Get ready, get ready. All right, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Touched him, touched him.
Yeah.
Got him, dude.
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah, baby.
Dude, goose down!
Yeah.
Let's go get that thing before it gets in the tree line, dude. We gotta get going, come on. Yeah. Safety's on?
Yeah.
I need to grab this tree when I get in. Oh man. Here you go. Let's go get that goose. Heck yeah, man.
Hell yeah, dude.
I'll get you to him. Grab him if you can. Oh, big honker, dude. Dude, that was awesome. That was so cool. Dude, I hadn't shot a goose this year.
Hell yeah, dude.
Have you shot a goose yet this year?
No.
Well, we both just shot a goose then.
Yeah. You got that.
Well, the ducks just aren't flying down here like I thought they were.
No, not at all.
There goes one. Look at that. Look how high he is too. They're just not in here like I thought. I almost think we should just go back and go after divers.
I'm down.
Just tie them up and drop them behind you. Don't even bother sticking it in the bag. We're just gonna drop them off again when we get up there.
Lines on kayak, yeah.
Oh, on kayaks? Did you see a duck? Oh shoot! You wanna shoot that thing? Shoot that thing, dude. Shoot it, shoot it. Yeah! Alright, hold it, hold it. Keep on it, keep on it, keep on it. There it is. Dude. Oh, holy shit!
I hit it on that one.
You freaking hit it. I can't believe that
It might go
bufflehead.
down.
No, that thing ain't going down. It's gaining altitude. I don't see any feathers though. It sure looked like you hit it.
Maybe I hit it there, and then I popped it on that second shot right here. I saw it come.
I'll grab those empties. Dude, buffleheads sometimes are impossible to kill. They're like armored or something. But dude, I swear you like you smacked it on that second shot. I swear, dude.
Yeah, no.
Maybe these guys can tell us where the ducks are.
What happened?
Maybe these guys can tell us where the ducks are. They're all like flying back and forth over us here.
Yeah, really. Just get on the radio with them and be like, what do you see?
Yeah. Where are the ducks at?
They're like scouting.
Yeah. The expensive scout trip. Oh, that's a good flight. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. I think I was behind there.
Yeah. I was like, I'm not risking it on this one.
Well, we knocked down a Canada goose. All right, well, we knocked down a Canada goose. We just moved our setup for like the third or fourth time today. Let's see if we can get some last few ducks here before we clean up and get all the way out of here. Go home. Oh yeah, big old Canada goose down. Canada goose, Canada goose. There's our last spread of the day. And there we go. No. They got a path.
They look like they might have turned. They got two buffleheads flying right way up there that just landed.
There's a solo flying right there. You see it up high? I think it's continuing. It's continuing. Getting a little action again. Oh, where are they? Where are they? Did you hear it?
Yeah.
There it is, there it is. There's two, yeah. Should I call it to him?
Yeah. That's a good way to end.
I'm not the best goose caller, okay? Oh, look at that duck. Oh my god, they turned. Do you see them? They're flying our way. Oh my god, they're gonna land. They're looking, they're looking.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I can't, I'm watching you following your lead. I can't see shit.
They're gonna fly over us, dude. Oh my goodness.
I got my earplugs in so it blasts the fuck away.
Nope, they're gonna turn. They're turned. They might still come. Dude, I can't believe how close that was. They're gone. They're going.
Drake bufflehead floating way out.
Dude, if he dives, let's go kill that thing.
Yeah.
That one and the, oh, two dove. Hey, run, 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 run. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, it's like 60 yards.
Yeah. They came up quick.
Yeah, they did.
I thought we were gonna get a little closer on.
I thought we were gonna get one of those, dude.
I thought we had like 3 or 4 more seconds, and that we were gonna be like, they were gonna pop up this close, and we were just gonna blast them.
Yep.
They came up quick.
Yep. Oh, that thing's so dead.
I think that's a drake.
Heck no. Hey, hey, hey! Get out of here. Go on, get. Go on, get. Hey, 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 hey. Hey! What a pretty little bird. Oh, look at this, look at this. On your right, hold still. Holy cow, dude. He's dropping into the decoys. Shoot him now, shoot him now, shoot him now, shoot him now, shoot him now. Shoot him again, shoot him again, shoot him. Yeah, you got him, come. Go grab him. There you go. Behind you. There you go. Shoot him in the head. You gotta start walking towards him. There. Dude, she's swimming a long ways. There, right there, on the right. Oh, start heading that way though. She's heading for those trees. There, shoot her. What happened? Your gun clicked. It's in the decoys behind you. Got it. I was hearing a noise and I was like, what is that? And I was looking all around and then all of a sudden I noticed there's a bird in the decoys.
Like it was here, then it was over here.
That was making the weirdest noise, dude. It was like, See how hard this mud is to walk through?
Yeah.
It gets worse.
Oh, good.
Dude, it was like dropping into our decoys though. It was beautiful.
Good eye on that. Start making our way.
Yeah, I think so.
Right here.
Yeah, we're gonna see this nice green, colorful right here.
Perfect.
Love it, love it. Alright, well hey, that's the hunt for today. Ended up with a nice little pile of meat. Decided to go home, clean up this goose. Oh yeah, first goose of the season for me and it's pretty much over. So what do you think of Washington hunting?
It's awesome, dude.
Yeah,
I'm into it.
Yep.
You found some good spots.
Yeah.
This is definitely like a good playground you got out here, you know?
Yeah.
And I think we were on the money to try to move around a bit, you know?
Oh, yeah.
I think for what we had today, with everything flying, we did all right, you know?
Yeah.
Missed a couple shots we probably should have had,
Yep.
but no, I think it was good, dude. And this last log was, I probably made the day right there.
Oh yeah, we ended up getting an extra 2 ducks there.
Yeah, but that was freaking, those goose coming in was crazy.
Oh yeah, we had some geese maple leafing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it was amazing. I wish we had some goose decoys out for them though. I think it would have helped. Anyway, so this is pretty much everything we got here. You got your first scaup today, so that was cool.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, so it's first goose of the year, first scaup.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching that one, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Take care.
Fun as hell to watch you with the it's always fun when you're hunting with somebody and you're hidden and you're just like, you see their eyes kind of starting to move. And you're like, those geese are coming in. No, they're not. Dude, they're coming in. I was like, oh yeah, they're coming in.